Hey everybody, I'm going to show you an unboxing and review on this solar light these guys sent me. Here's the contents of the package. The light comes with some mounting brackets, and then this is kind of made to go on a 4x4, but you don't need to use that half. If you just want to mount it on a wall, you can just screw it in there. It comes with a remote control, and there's the mounting bracket hardware as well, which we won't use all of. They give you a variety of things in there for different mounting styles. Now the light here from end to end is 19 inches, and it's just under 9 inches this way, so it's like 8.66 inches. When the light is charging, that light will show green. I've held it up to the light right now, so you'll notice then, if I kind of set it down at the table where there's no light, the light goes off, bring it back up to the light, it's charging. All right, this A-Zone 300 watt light, zero electricity bill. It's got solar motion sensor lights, high efficiency solar panel with a conversion rate of 25%, high quality LED chips, and super bright 270 LEDs. It's waterproof. It's got 10-hour endurance, and it's got dusk till dawn sensors and motion sensors. A couple other things to note here. If you activate your warranty, you can get a free Amazon $30 gift card. And then if you buy this light and you take a picture of it and send it to them, and it gets selected for their store photo, you can get a $50 gift card. Another quick thing here, here's the contact phone number if you have any problems, and website. While in auto mode, have it charged 6 to 8 hours during the day, and it'll light up 18 to 20 hours at night. If you have motion sensor mode, you can set it to, there's no pedestrians out there, no motion sensing. It has about 30% brightness, so it's a little bit dimmer than when somebody walks underneath it. It's 100% brightness. The recommended installation height is 16 to 32 feet. All right, the assembly is really easy on this. So here's the pipe here, the fixture, and then this just sets right in there. And then this is going to clamp right on top of that, and it gets secured with these bolts here. And you'll notice right underneath, as far as these bolts go, there's a recessed area that they fit into. So these bolts will just go right down into there and get bolted in there. They give you this little wrench that comes with it too. Alright, the remote control takes 2 AAA batteries. And I'm just installing it with some lag screws and some washers, just like that.